Hi, this is Stephanie Robbins with Joy Organics Affiliate Management Team. And this video is going to talk about how to grab and find banners within the Impact Radius portal. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is log in, and you're always going to log in using this address, app.impact.com. Use your username and password, log in, and you'll see this page. This thing, if you have this, it means you need to turn in your W-9. Just saying that. Here's where your most recent messages are. So this is like some upcoming sales that happened and letting everybody know about. This is kind of your quick, fast, and easy link that you can just copy and paste and use right away. And then it's a little confusing because it looks like this is all the banner ads. So I've had some people say, well, there's only 2 ads and they're both pets. Where are the rest of your banners? So that is not true. The way you find all the banners, which we have several, is to go under Ads and then go under Ads and Links. Go here to Add Type and make sure that this banner box is selected and hit Search. Now this is only going to pull banners or images versus just the straight text links, which there are more of. So you can see we have the pet promotion, we have vape pen promotions, we have a general one, we have my personal favorite, which is the quiz promotion, soft gels, and #1 zero THC brand, and then of course promotional stuff. So this is the anniversary promotion that's actually happening as I'm doing this video. So once you find out which one you want, and just so you know too, you can also do a search. So like if we wanted to do the quiz, we could just do a quick search and it would only show up the quiz. Okay, so once you find the one that you want, I'm going to go with this one. You go in here and you grab the code. If you want to use social media, you want to grab the images from the campaign asset page, not from Impact Radius. And then you would use a URL similar to this. So this is your like a standard affiliate link or the one that I was showing you on the home page. If you want to insert the complete code, and this is also found, these complete codes with the HTML is also found in the emails that I send you. Then you're going to copy to clipboard. And then you're going to whoops, wrong one. It's not what I wanted. One moment. All right, and we are going to add this into the post. So this is WordPress. Everybody's WordPress looks a little bit different, but you'll get the idea. So this WordPress layout doesn't have the tabs. Sometimes you see 2 tabs. One says WYSIWYG and the other one says source code. In that case, you would click on the second tab. Here, which was available in all options, we're going to grab, you have 2 different types of editors. You have the visual editor, which is what we are in now, which is basically saying it's going to look exactly how it looks here, or you can do code editor. So if you're going to copy and paste this code, you need to be in the code editor. So everything in here should look like HTML. You place that in there, and then when you go back to the visual editor, you're going to see your banner right there. So that is how that works. If you want to do social media, as I mentioned before, you want only the image. So you're going to go to campaign asset pages. And then you're going to pick which campaign asset page you want. And note, for every promotion, we have campaign asset pages as well. But in this case, I'm just going to go to the general. And if you scroll down, all the way down to the bottom, you'll see a bunch of images that you can insert into your site and blog. You could add copy on this to make it yours, whatever you want to do. But let's say you're doing this for social media. You're going to do a save as image. And then remember how we were talking about just the single? So I'm a huge tester. I test every link before I do anything with it. So I'm going to be like, okay, let's make sure this works. The site's a little slow today because we are getting bombarded with traffic because of a sale. All right. Just ignore this. This is because I have admin access. And we are at the quiz, so that worked correctly. So then I would go in here and I would add that photo that I just downloaded. And then I would say, I love Joy Organics, except you guys would be more eloquent than this. Buy some. And then, of course, I would do my FTC ad, and I would include my link. And because I have some insecurities, I'd probably do HTTPS there. And then, like I said, I'm just like test, test, test again. I would go and make sure that it is working properly with my new HTTPS. Because one little error and, you know, it doesn't work at all. So I can see that it is pulling up. And then I would just click share. And we would be good to go. So I hope you found this useful. Please feel free to email me with any questions, affiliates@joyorganics.com. If you have an ad that you would like to see that's not in here, please submit your requests through that same email address, and I will see what I can do for you. Have an amazing day, and thank you so much for being a Joy Organics partner.